At the end of the road, turn right. Then at the roundabout, take the first exit left. If the car ahead of you breaks down, would you be able to get around the car?
No.
Then that means we're a little bit too close to the car. Can you remember the next instruction?
Go straight.
At the roundabout left, first exit. There's no car behind you. That's too close.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, we could have gone further to the right because there's no oncoming car coming towards us.
Okay.
So try and make sure that you're a little further away, okay?
I got it.
You've got control of the car, move off when you're ready. And follow the road ahead. Whatever happens, leave at least one door space.
Yeah.